Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this gradient text with multiple outlines. And actually I will show you even better way due to, as you can see, that the letters are too close to each other, then this double outline effect is not working properly. I will make it a bit better during the tutorial and you will see how to do it properly and correctly. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened the other Canva page. As you can see, there's just a blank black Canva. Go into the apps and searching for type, and I need the app called Type Gradient, and I just choose it. Here we can add any text what we want. Now just add this canvateacher. Now at the moment I don't want to use the whole text, just canvateacher. Here we can change the alignment, and before I doing the line height, I will search for a different text or font type. Sorry, for this one and the previous one I used this bagel fat, but now I would like to use a bit different one. I'm looking for some really bold but readable, like this B1. Yeah, this one looks really good. And so now I go on the line height and increasing a bit. Increasing a bit. And here the gradient colors, I can delete the middle one. I just need two different gradients. Here I will use again the green one, and the other one will be a blue again. And here with these two dots we can change the direction, also the kind of the intensity, or where it is starting and where it's finishing. Like you can, if I'm moving closely, like the intensity is very high. If I'm moving further, you can see the change, this changing color effect takes much longer, so the intensity of this gradient effect is much lower. So I will use this, add to design. I already had the second and actually added third page also. So right click on a text, download selection, and choosing the transparent background and downloading it. And just uploading to the text. I can show you it's really transparent background. Now I can increase the size a bit, and due to this is an image, not text anymore, we will have this edit menu where we can go to the shadow, outline, and now the black one is used. Of course, it was not visible, the black on a black background. But we do not have this function anymore to downloading it. So the thing what we can do, this is a page number 2. I just downloading the second page only as a PNG. Go into the third page and uploading the image to the third page. And here we can go to the edit section, shadow, outline again, and now we'll have to change to white. Of course, was with the background. Sorry, I forgot to remove the background. So now, oh, okay, it's already done. The white is here, and I can change the size, and it looks really good. I think here is a final outcome. Not working perfectly due to we can change only the line height, not the distance between the letters. But it's already better than what my previous one was. And I really like the final outcome. Hope so you also like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you have any idea or missing something, or you're struggling anything with the Canva and you need any help. I try to answer as soon as possible, or if it's more difficult thing, maybe it's a good idea for me for a next tutorial. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find tons of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompt for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.